what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this modern farmhouse TV stand that is available in 60-inch and 70-inch. And my initial reaction after assembling it is that this TV stand is a perfect blend of rustic countryside, and it's not a surprise that there's so many good reviews on it. Now, one of my favorite features is the industrial accent bars in the shape of an X on the sides, and the exposed metal accents in the front corners that blend really well with the color options of the TV stand. As for storage, the TV stand houses 8 shelves. The outside shelves are fixed, while the shelves behind the glass doors are adjustable with cable management holes towards the back. The TV stand ships in one large box with everything tightly packed, and the assembly process wasn't bad at all. However, I suggest that you complete as much of the assembly on an elevated work table like you see me doing here, to avoid having to work on the ground, kneeling and hunched over. But altogether, it took me just about an hour and a half, maybe about an hour and 45 minutes to unbox and assemble everything using an electric drill. But the average person can expect anywhere between 2 and 4 hours for the assembly. Overall, I really like this TV stand and highly recommend it to anyone looking to add modern farmhouse charm to their entertainment space. This rustic and modern farmhouse TV stand ships in a single flat box. Here is the instruction manual that everyone loves to read. Yeah, right. Here is the bottom panel of the TV stand. Here are the 2 glass cabinet doors. Here are the 2 metal X attachments. Here are the 4 upright panels of the TV stand. Here is the box of hardware that we will unbox in just a second. Here are the 4 corner legs of the TV stand. Here are the 2 center peg legs of the TV stand. Here is the top panel of the TV stand. You can see the metal accents at the corners. Here are the 2 back panels of the TV stand with cutouts at the top to manage your cords. And here's a quick look at the packing material that backs the cardboard box. It's a combination of high-grade styrofoam and an engineered wood panel. And as you can see here, something punctured through the box and made it through the styrofoam. And surprisingly, none of the parts got damaged. Probably pure luck here, but we'll credit the packaging. So here are the glass cabinet door hinges. Here is the bag of hardware. Inside, all of the parts are individually bagged and pre-labeled. And if you need some spare parts, then they have you covered too. I'm going to share with you a few tips to help you successfully assemble this TV stand so that you can enjoy it immediately after the assembly. Tip number 1 is to complete as much of the assembly as you can on an elevated work table like I'm doing here. If you build the entire TV stand on the ground, then it will require you to be in the kneeling position while hunched over for an extended period of time. And by the time you're done, your knees and your back may not be too happy with you. So any opportunity that you have to take the stress off your body parts, you should definitely take it. Tip number 2 is to add a drop of wood glue in the holes that the wooden dowel pins will be inserted in during the assembly. This will help make long-lasting, durable joints throughout the furniture. Don't skip this, because this is a critical step to make sure that your furniture remains sturdy. And the final and third tip is to place some of the styrofoam packaging underneath the glass cabinet doors when you're attaching the door hinges. This will help to protect the glass from shattering. This is also one of the last steps of the assembly, so you definitely want to end on a good note. Now, if you follow these tips, then you should have your rustic farmhouse TV stand up in no time for you and your friends to admire. I hope this helps, and I do highly recommend this modern farmhouse TV stand. So go ahead and check it out.